Aisha radiyallahu anha reported, the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alayhi wasallam said, when any one of you wants to eat, he should mention the name of Allah in the beginning, i.e. say Bismillah. If he forgets to do it in the beginning, he should say Bismillah awwalahu wa akhirahu, i.e. I begin with the name of Allah at the beginning and at the end. Tirmidhi and Abu Dawud reported it.
Sunnah, when you say Bismillah, not Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Some scholars, they say, and it's correctly wise, it's a bid'ah. You say Bismillah. That's what the Prophet ﷺ said, in the name of Allah. And as for the Al-Ghazali, Abu Hamid Al-Ghazali, the old one, whom he had said that the tasmiyah is in every morsel you take is invalid. Every time you take a morsel, say Bismillah, Bismillah. There is no proof for that. It's only when you start your food, you say Bismillah. And this hadith emphasizes the fact that we are the sons of Adam. We do forget, and the person would forget. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made us as well to gain the full reward even if we forget. So this is by saying Bismillah fi awwalihi wa akhirihi, in the name of Allah at the beginning of the food and at the end of the food. So this is to to gain something that you might lose. And subhanallah, the tasmiyah first of all gives you the barakah and also deprives the shaitan from eating along with you, because he will participate. He participates with you with everything. He's a partner of you even when you're intercourse with your wife. So you have to make sure that he's not with you. So here, this person who forgot, at the end of his food, you just say, Bismillah fi awwalihi wa akhiri. Does it have to be at the last moment? No. Let's say you finish all your food. You could say Bismillah fi awwalihi wa akhiri. But don't take it as a habit. You should be saying all the time Bismillah before you start. But this is, as I said, people forget. We are the sons of Adam.